Well, it's 9:17 on April 14th. We are in Virginia hunting turkey. Um, this morning we started out. We heard one gobble a couple of times, and then so you can see it's raining. It's over in the car. It's freaking pouring right now. It kind of sucks. But then we ended up driving around the property and we're hunting, and ended up seeing him with two hens. They pitched across the river, but we have a pretty good game plan for tomorrow morning. But today looks like it's going to be a washout, so we're just going to chill here till the rain stops and probably just go sit down there where we saw him till noon, just to hunt. But yeah, tomorrow morning's looking pretty promising since we have an idea of where he's roosting and going in the morning. So, what do you think, Weston?
I don't know. I don't think it's too bad of a day. Anytime you go somewhere new and you at least find some birds, not too bad. So, I got pretty high hopes for this weekend. I think it should be good. It's good to be hunting regardless.
It took us what felt like a week to get down here last night. We got down here about midnight. I'm freaking tired. I'm about to take a snooze.
Yeah, it's definitely time for a nap. I'm beat.
And it's raining hard now. It has all day.
It's nice to be sitting in the truck instead of under a tree.
Yeah. It's my first gobble I heard all year, though. It's nice. Yeah, tomorrow is looking pretty promising, though. Get some good action, so stick with us here.
I saw him.
Dude, that was freaking insane. That was crazy. That was freaking crazy, dude. He was 5 feet from me.
I saw that. You walked right by you.
How good a video is that?
I don't even think I could see that one.
Did you get the one next to me?
I zoomed in on it one time, but I couldn't see the one you shot.
Holy shit. Dude, Gage was just gauging. Gage, you were like this. You kept turning your head like, you gotta. I can't believe they didn't see us. I can't believe Jake. They saw me. You see that one? I might have hit him.
You just didn't.
From me, I couldn't move. This one saw. That one got behind a tree, so I just swung. I was swinging real slow, and I just kind of. He saw me, started walking. I put right on his back and shot him.
I couldn't get my gun around. There's no way.
I didn't expect him to fly right to us. I mean, look how close he was. He was what?
At that tree right there.
The one,
at that
the one
fucking
from
tree.
us. The big Jake was probably 4 yards from us, and then this one was maybe like 10.
I saw that one Jake was a lot bigger, like 4 inches
Yeah.
or something, and I was like, God dang.
I don't care. My first out-of-state bird. I got another tag for tomorrow. We heard, yesterday we come in here, we heard one bird here. We got like 4 times, that was it. And then we ended up seeing him down here by the river. So we come here this morning, sat right by the river, and one gobbled over there, one gobbled over there, and there was these 3 Jakes right on top of the point across the river. We called a little bit, I think I called 3 sequences. And he pitched right across the river and flew into 10 yards. And the big one was in the front, and I just couldn't swing on him. I just wasn't ready. And then this one I just swung real slow, and I just put it on him and shot. Did you shoot that other one?
Shot at one.
Yeah, I also worked.
I don't know if I hit him.
You
We'll go look to make sure, but did this one gobble again after we shot then?
No, I don't
I
think
thought
so.
it. I was so worked up.
Where'd that one go? Dude, I couldn't move. I couldn't swing my gun.
Dude, that was so. I was expecting him to fly down there, then walk up to the decoy. That'd been so much better.
Yeah, right in front of us. Then I
Yeah.
would have been able to shoot.
You kept. I seen you looking at me. You're like this.
Yeah, I was waiting.
I was like, please don't. I was like, he's gonna see you move your head that much. He never did.
No, I was gonna look at you to like nod my head if you were gonna shoot,
Uh huh.
because I didn't know if you were gonna I didn't even see him. 'Cause he was behind the tree.
Uh huh.
I just saw a bunch of Jakes.
First out of state bird. It's
Oh.
a Jake, but hey man, out of state's out of state. Look at the spurs on this boy.
Good enough to do a beer can chug.
He's got himself about a 4-incher. It's actually not that bad. He's all wet, but he's probably about 12 pounds. Oh
That's
my
alright.
God,
Wow.
that's freaking. What a
Turkey
hunt.
nugs for dinner.
What a hunt that was, though.
Wow.
It usually does not happen like that, man. Especially to call him across a
Dude, they
freaking
flew
river.
in right there.
Did you get? How much video did you get?
Everything. I don't think I had the shot though. I don't think I could see him. He was like behind
But
the tree.
you were filming when I shot, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got him pitching across though. I was filming the other one that was down here. I was hoping somebody would pump him.
Oh
I couldn't get my gun up. They would have saw me.
that happened so quick. Well, I seen him fly. I was like, he's coming down, and I was like, oh, and I was like, I didn't see him coming across the river. I was like, freak, they must have flew down to that top. Then all of a sudden he was right there. He was like right there.
All right, let's go get on that other bird.
Yeah.
Let's go see if I shot that one.
Yeah, I don't think
Yeah.
you hit it. I'm pretty sure I watched that.
I had it right
soar.
on him.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I watched it soar right underneath him.
Well, let's just let's loop down around here, and just reset up and we'll call a little bit. Cause that gobbler's here.
Yeah.
He's probably gonna come down here with those hens. Oh man, that's freaking awesome. this hillside across from us, we have a bird gobbling. I think it's a couple birds. So I'm gonna step behind these guys and call and see what happens here. There he gobbles again. Whew. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah. Holy crap. We're sitting here, they're gobbling down here a little bit, so we just we're just gonna sit here, call a little bit and just be quiet, see what they do. So I knew they'd come in. And he gobbled on his own right down here, so I called a little bit. And it was like 3 minutes later. I wasn't even filming. I figured they'd gobble if they got close, and I heard a pop. I was like, oh my, I'm like, they're right there. And within a split second, boom, Charlie shoots. And he must have hit a little low, and it's really steep here. It goes down this big river down here. And Weston chased it down and fished it off, but it's 8:47, and I think we have 2 birds down. Wow. Here he comes with his river gobbler. Attaboy, Charlie. Attaboy. I have to let him dry up before we get some pictures. Let me see it. Oh man, Charlie, that's a freaking good bird. The hooks on that joker. He's all wet, let him dry up, baby. Look at the hooks on that joker. Well, we're 2 for 3 in the day, huh?
Yep.
It ain't been taking too long. He's got himself a good beard too. Little turkey blood on the new pants. It's always a good sign. So we were set up here. I was up on that tree with my backpack right there, and they were on these 2 trees in front of me. And when they gobbled, they were right there on that ridge. Come up and they said the 2 gobblers come up right there, and Charlie shot the 1. But they give me a rundown for what you guys saw.
I'm sitting here, Weston's sitting there. That bird peeks his head right around this tree right here, and he didn't see. And I was waiting for the second bird to come up more so he could get a shot, but Weston just said take a shot. Fired one at him.
I just seen the bird's head coming.
Must have hit him a little bit low, but had to fish him off. Not how you want to get it done, but you got it done.
I seen the bird's head, and he peeked around the tree, and he had that look. I was like, that bird's on us. I was like, Charlie, shoot him fast.
That's the problem when you hunt these real steep ridges. They come up and they either, as soon as they come up, they always spook.
Yeah, I knew that bird was out of there pretty fast. So I said, Charlie, shoot, and he shot. And I was like, shit, this bird is flopping way too hard. So I took off running after it, and he caught flight going down the hill. So then I took a shot at him the first time. I'm pretty sure I missed. And the second time I hit him, and then he got out into the water, and he's like 10 feet out in the water. And the third shot, his head was still up, and I didn't feel like going in the water after a bird that was alive. So I just finished him off. And then got down to my skivvies and swam out.
And I ate it hard.
It's a good bird too. It's a really good bird. Well, it's only 9 o'clock, so let's go get yours, Weston.
Oh yeah.
We got another bird on the other side of this farm, gobbling way across there, about 2 ridges over. So we'll see if we can't get on him and make it one hell of a day. Yeah. Yes, sir. Oh, let's go get another one.
Hell yeah.
We'll see. What do you think, Weston?
I think I'm tired of guiding all these guys, getting them all their birds. I'm ready to kill something. I'm pretty horned up to kill something.
Wasn't for that idiot down there, we'd have tagged out yesterday.
What you said?
You'll see on the video. Look at me. He looks like a Guido.
Doesn't get much better than this.
This one, yeah.
You're watching good in here.
Your selfie.
Oh.